Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys quickly how I make my U-part wigs. This is like a new way that I'm going to be making them for myself and for customers who have hair like mine. Like my hair is not thick and it's not long, so when I was making them the other way, it wasn't blending right. So I'm just going to cut off this tab all the way around. It's already traced out. These are the tabs that you keep to where you know where the wig sits when it's wrapping around your hair when you're doing a closure wig or a full lace wig. So I'm going to cut this out because this is too much material to lay behind my hairline. And I'm doing a U-part, well, it's really a V-part wig. I'm doing a V-part wig because I want tape in soon, and I wanted to just make a V-part wig first and wear a V-part wig because I really don't wear them. I had a U-part wig, but I think people with thinner and shorter hair, a V-part wig is just better. Because when you're doing a U-part wig, the U is just too big to cover, and especially if your hair is thin like mine, my hair is just naturally thin, it's harder to cover. But the V-part wig is just less hair, so I cut that off, and then I'm going to cut off just the flap. I still need my slits in the back of the wig, of the ventilated cap, to use the elastic bands, because I do use those because it helps to secure. Like I put the band, once I connect it in the slits, I put it kind of under my braids, so it kind of just gives more of security. I'm going to show you guys here. See that you still can use them. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off sewing the wig. If you're still hand making wigs, girl, listen, you better get you a sewing machine, girl, and go ahead and try making these wigs, okay? So I'm going to put one piece all around the perimeter of the cap first. Because my hair is thin, I need that security. So, okay, y'all see me struggling putting the thread in. So next time I make a V-part wig, I'm going to put 2 tracks all the way around the wig. This one was fine. It still turned out pretty good for this new technique that I did. But I would do 2 tracks close together around the perimeter of the wig. So we're going to go into me showing you guys how I apply the wig. If you want a more in-depth video on the finishing of making the wig, just let me know. So I just got my hair braided down. The 2 on the sides in the front right there, they're just a little bit more thinner, just because you don't want big braids because it's going to look bulky. Some people like to put a braid around what's the leave out, and it just looks too bulky for me. So I'm just combing out the hair. This is raw Indian wavy. Let me tell you something. Raw Indian hair is my favorite. Raw Indian hair is my favorite, and this is from the Glam House collection. So girl, if you need you some hair, raw hair is it. I'm sorry. Raw hair is just the business. It's just the 411, you know, it is it for me. So I am going to go ahead and put that on, and you guys see how little of hair that I have left out. Y'all, this is like crucial. So I'm just putting it right there at the part, slightly, and just clamping it on. And then I told you guys I like to put the strap under the braids. It automatically goes under the braid anyway. I'm just making sure the elastic band is still on in the back. Just feeling it. And then I'm going to do my sides. So I have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle, and on the top I have 2 clips, like wig clips, because you only need those 2. I would have put 1 in the back, but I don't need it because of the band. I will put 1 back there if I'm putting my hair up in some kind of ponytail or updo. but I'm wearing my hair down, so I didn't need it. And then I'm just gonna part my hair. I am relaxed, so I don't have to put heat. I am gonna put some heat on 2 pieces right there in the front. This is just freshly washed, blow dried, and moisturized hair. So yeah, I didn't have to do much. So you see me just combing over the tracks, just making sure it's in there. Look how it blends. You cannot see where my hair starts and stops. This color here is natural raw Indian hair, so the color is a natural brown, which matches my hair perfectly. I really didn't have to flat iron it at all, just doing something for the video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron this piece and the other piece in the front on the other side, and that's literally it. I'm just tired of closures at this point and just lace, you know. Don't get me wrong, I'm coming back to it now, but I just love these options of you don't have to wear lace if you don't want to, and your hair just breathing, girl. So this is the end of the video. Let me know if you guys have any other questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Toodles.